Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. And today I'm doing another video with my grandkids.
Jade.
And Elijah.
And we're all doing something different. No, Jade and I are doing flip cups. And Elijah's gonna do, are you doing the dirty pour?
Yeah.
Okay. And so I'm going to bring it down to the canvas. We all have a bunch of different colors, so we won't have them listed because everybody's doing something different. All right, so go ahead and start loading up your cups.
So I just pour it however I want to or whatever?
Just pour it straight down, like it, once you pour some in, yep, just do that, and then just keep pouring it straight down.
Alright, this is mine right here. Pretty cool. I did the dirty cup pour, and I just made it go in circles and then tilted it or whatever. And
This is going to be really cool when it dries.
Yeah. I added a couple of lines, but yeah.
Looks pretty cool. All right, now we're going to look at Jade's. Ready, Jade? Tell them about yours.
So it's like these little pictures and stuff, and like this is like a waterfall, and like the ocean right there.
Yeah, I like it.
Pretty.
Very cool.
Yeah, I like this because it like looks like scene is like holding like rocks and stuff.
Very cool.
That's pretty much it.
And there's mine. Come around this way. Got some cool cells. Alrighty. Those are our paintings. I did the flip cup, Jade did a flip cup, and Elijah did a dirty cup. And do thank everybody for joining us today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our fun little video. And do thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.